I'm gonna cut right to the chase. If you work from home, edit long hours, love the game, or just like chilling at your desk, you need a comfortable chair. When I thought about my dream chair, comfort was my main driver, and with the OKUP M78, I got all of that and more. So yeah, I plan on time stepping this video so you can hop around if you want to, but first, let's get into assembly. So the chair was very easy to put together, and I'm gonna be honest, the instructions was very easy to understand, and most of the chair was pretty much put together straight out of the box. Pretty much all I had to do is put on the wheels, connect some pieces, and connect some wires, and that was pretty much it. Very easy to build. It probably took me about 10 minutes to put this thing together. Next, let's get into quality and features. So this chair is a leather chair, and it pretty much gives off a premium look. Honestly, if I can sum this chair up, it's pretty much like a recliner on wheels, to be honest with you. When it comes to the features of this chair, looks could be deceiving. This chair is packed with features like ventilated seats, heated seats, massaging, lumbar support, and it's fully reclined. Like you can literally lay all the way back like you're taking a nap in your bed on this chair. It's crazy, and that's probably my favorite feature that I didn't know I wanted in an office chair. Lastly, with this chair, comfort is pretty much a given. So for my people out there looking to upgrade their office chair, the OKUP M78 is an easy choice, and to be honest with you, you won't be disappointed. The link is in the description below if you want to grab this chair, and there's nothing left to say but make sure you like, comment, and most of all subscribe. Now I'll see y'all on the next one.